Y'all thought you could pull one over on us. Yeah, it's gonna take more than 2 soldiers, a Gatling gun, and an armored stagecoach to stop me. Famous Ranger Dan Reed couldn't do it. Hell, the mountain lion that took my pinky couldn't do it. Tell me, who do you think you are? Cuddy? Cut his dick off. Renee, hit the explosive.
No!
Montana Smith and the Raw Dog Gang are back. My name is Montgomery Montana Smith, and I'm an outlaw. I'm wanted in 10 states and 4 territories. The reasons why I'm wanted: murder, bank robbery, arson, bribery, corruption, public indecency, public intoxication, public fornication, the regular kind, lewdness, and piracy. And this is my wife, Petunia. 7 years. She's helping me and my crew plan the biggest bank robbery ever. First Plymouth. They say it can't be done, but my crew, I know we're up to it.
My name's Cuddy Cuchillo, second in command, and I like knives.
Renee Risque. I do explosives. More than one kind, if you know what I mean.
Name's Kip Bridger. Well, Mountain Man. Don't spend much time with the rest of the gang. Truth told, don't much like people. Prefer animals, like my cat, Caesar. Him and I found Monty's hideout together. Perfect place. Fella can get away with anything out here.
All right, who's ready to see this?
What's it say?
Renee, read it.
Well, I can't read. Cuddy, can you read?
A little. There. I know that bit.
Well, what's it say?
Cut.
What else?
I don't know. I only ever learned to read my name.
Oh, Jesus. You mean to tell me that none of you morons can read?
Hey, guys. You know, I went to university, and while I was there, I...
God, shut up, Ian! No one likes you!
My name's Ian Lober. I've been in Monty's crew for 6 years next month. Mostly, I like painting. At university, my specialty was always in oils, but lately, I've been really into the aesthetic of watercolors.
Boss! Boss, look what I found!
Who's this?
He's a school teacher. We can make him read that bank letter.
Ah! Yes, Cuddy, you're a genius! 3 cheers for Cuddy, everybody!
Yeah!
Woo! Woo!
Guys, I told you I could read.
Not Ian.
What is it that makes you thinking about a school teacher?
Well, you got glasses, don't you?
Shooting Ian might have been a mistake.
So, just so you know, I'm into this.
You're into what?
You choke real good.
Well, you know what? That's because I eat my red meats. Feel that. Feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Impressive.
Mm-hmm.
Petunia, I love her, but sometimes I think she's not always the most faithful.
Oh.
Boss?
Monty?
What is this?
I tripped, and then Renee, and then he, and I won't let it happen again.
Again? How long has this been going on for?
About 8 months.
Right. Cuddy, cut his dick off. Yeah. And this time, I'm gonna watch. Well?
Yeah, I never actually cut anybody's dick off.
What?
Well, have you ever seen a dick? They're disgusting. Ugh.
Oh, I must have asked you to cut off like 100 dicks by now!
Yeah, I know, and each time I just got real grossed out.
Ah!
Real gross.
Well, that's it. Done. Done! For the last 8 months, I've been a fisherman. It's a tough job. Kind of lonely.
Hey, boss. Look, the way all that went down with Renee and Tunya and the dicks, I'm sorry.
That ain't good enough, all right? I was the greatest outlaw west of the Mississippi. They said I blazed a trail of severed penises from coast to coast. Now what am I?
Well, we're getting the gang back together. We got a new explosions guy. And we got new muscle. And we even got a fella who can read. Got just about everything we need, except for a new boss.
No, that's in the past. I'm a fisherman now.
Well, think about it, all right? Oh, and boss.
Is that what I think it is?
Darn tootin'. Cut it off Renee myself.
Drop your cocks and reach for the sky! Money and the Raw Dog Gang are back!